then I see little tear, मेरा शॉट देख के while it was being shot कि देखना ये this one will pick up. So अभी मुझे तो ये सब पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसे कैसे सुन के बता सकते हैं कि ये चल जाएगा.
I saw you standing under the producer's building saying इस फिल्म को री-रिलीज करवा दो.
बचपन में लगता था कि भागो. तो मैं घर से भी ऐसे ही भागा था.
What is the one thing that you've done for love that was totally crazy?
That I can't reveal.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. It is the season of re-releases and February is the month of love. And guess what? Some of our favorite romantic films are hitting the theaters once again. In that lot, you'll find Sanam Teri Kasam, a release of 2016 that marked the debut of two extremely exciting talents. And one of them is sitting right here on the couch with me. Harshvardhan, welcome to Just Too Filmy.
Thank you so much, Rohini. And today, I think today is the 5th, right? Today is the exact day.
Day of the release.
It had released,
oh my
so
God.
I just recollected that. Yeah.
Let's go back to that day. What was it like for you?
I think we'd gone to Gaiety Galaxy and I was pretty lost in similar interviews and a lot of interviews were happening and it was just like how our debut feels, where a lot of expectations, confusion, a lot of emotions, hormones going through your body.
Correct, correct. And I remember the soundtrack. Oh my God, that soundtrack is playing today in gyms. Okay, 9 साल बाद भी लोग उस पे workout करे, खींच मेरी photo पे. And it's true. Did you know the power of that soundtrack back then?
I think the makers did mention while it was being shot कि देखना ये this one will pick up. So अभी मुझे तो ये सब पता भी नहीं था कि ऐसे कैसे सुन के बता सकते हैं कि ये चल जाएगा. So I think the makers had put a finger on that song for sure.
Did you enjoy the soundtrack personally?
Initially I was not like, I didn't know ki what works. So I was very neutral because I had done a couple of films before this down south. And मुझे नहीं कभी भी पता चला कि कौन सा song चलने वाला है.
कि नहीं
So
चलेगा.
I don't have that ear.
Correct.
So I don't want to take any credit on that.
Correct. But Himesh Reshamya
Yes,
is an
yes.
absolute
Yes.
wonder man.
Yes.
Okay. But I want to talk to you about the re-release journey because here we're sitting in 2025, 9 years later. And about 3 months ago, you had put a post, you put up the poster and you said, क्या हमें ये film re-release करनी चाहिए या नहीं? If I get X amount of likes, shares,
जी,
whatever,
जी.
मैं बात करूँगा producer से. That post went viral.
जी.
Okay. And then obviously began this journey. Talk to us about that journey. Was it tough for you to get the film re-released? Because I saw you standing under the producer's building saying, इस film को re-release करवा दो.
मेरे लिए I feel कि even when you're approaching your craft as an actor, if I want to be in front of the camera or if I want to get some work done, if you can try and be as organic as you can be, you won't be totally organic and थोड़ा बहुत तो worldly चीज़ें आ जाएंगी. But I have realized कि अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा organic जगह से आ रहे हैं, many things are taken care of by your surroundings, by the people, they help you. अगर आप उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा एकदम computerized कर दोगे और ट्रेंड में जो चल रहा है उसी को आप फॉलो कर लोगे तो शायद इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. ये मैंने अपने लाइफ से और अपने इंस्टाग्राम से भी काफ़ी बार सीखा है और मैंने कैमरे के सामने भी ये सीखा है. कई बार मैंने कोशिश करी कि मैं वो करूं जो मैंने देखा हुआ है या सीखा हुआ है. It never looked that nice on camera.
Correct.
And whenever I've tried to just let it come in that moment, बहुत मुश्किल से होता है वो, कई बार नहीं भी होता है. तो वहाँ वही चीज़ मैंने करी विद गोइंग री-रिलीज. तो मैंने क्या किया कि ओके ये ऑडियंस है, ये मेकर्स हैं, ऑडियंस को रिलीज़ करानी है. मेकर्स दीपक मुकुट सर को अभी पता नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे ये सारा आ रहा है. इनको कैसे बताएं? अच्छा भाई साहब आप ज़रा कमेंट करके टैग कर दो इनको, नॉट मी, बिकॉज आई नो. तो वो उस पर कुछ अभी शायद 40,000 कमेंट्स हो गए उस पर. मैं पहली बार ही मैंने ऐसे कुछ देखा है. तो आई थिंक बिकॉज ही गॉट, उनका फ़ोन सुबह उठे होंगे तो पूरा या तो बैटरी ड्रेन हो गई होगी, तो उससे शायद उनको एक चीज़ पता चली कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है. एंड आई वॉज ऑलवेज टेलिंग हिम, जब भी मैं उनसे मिलता था यहाँ वहाँ, कि पिछले 9 साल में काफ़ी बार आई बम्प्ड इनटू हिम, आई ऑलवेज टोल्ड हिम सर कैसे मैं आपको बताऊं कि द काइंड ऑफ मैसेजेस आई एम गेटिंग। अब वो सोचते होंगे कि यार ये तो एक्टर है और हर एक्टर को आते हैं मैसेजेस, तो उन्होंने शायद उसको वैसे, लेकिन इस बार जब उन्होंने वो देखा तो मैंने कहा सर ये देखिए। देन आई टोल्ड दीज गाइज कि चलो लेट्स मीट बिलो हिज ऑफिस। मतलब और ऑर्गेनिक क्या हो सकता है, यू गो फिजिकली। जैसे ऑनेस्टली मैं आप लोगों को बताऊं, आज आपका स्टूडियो बिजी था, मैंने टीम से ये भी कहा था कि आई विल गो टू रोहिणी एंड आई विल गो एंड वेट देयर कि अगर हो सकता है कि कोई स्टूडियो खाली हो जाए। सो दिस इज माय अप्रोच इन लाइफ। सो आई डाइव फर्स्ट। सो मैंने वही डाइव किया। इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल कि पता नहीं कैसा टर्न आउट होगा, मे बी ही गेट्स यू नो, आई डोंट नो द रिएक्शन।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
सो कुल मिला के पीपल केम एंड दे वर, एवरीवन कुड सी द लव। एंड कुछ एक लड़की थी वो जो अपना लगेज लेके सीधा एयरपोर्ट से आई थी। कई लोग, कोई यहाँ से, कोई वहाँ से, कोई दरभंगा से आ रहे हैं, कोई कैलकाटा से। सो दैट फीलिंग आई थिंक गॉट transported from their hearts into my producers.
Yeah. And when did you know that the film is striking a chord with audiences? Was it during the release? Was it when it went on OTT? Was it in the last couple of years?
Great question, Rohini. I think post-COVID.
Yeah, it's
I don't know. Pre-COVID. Actually, movie release होने के कुछ 6-8 महीने तक तो मुझे कोई calls भी नहीं आए थे. And only two directors had called me, Sajid Khan and Bijoy Nambiar.
Yes.
And they called me and told me कि you were really, you know. And then slowly, post-COVID, I think people really saw it.
Yeah,
and
people watched it in
consumed
the pandemic.
Yeah.
I know so many people who watched it in the pandemic, and it's got this crazy cult following, especially with the Gen Zs.
Yeah.
When we were growing up, it was Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak,
Ji.
you know, and then it was, you know, DDLJ.
Ji.
But for the guys who grew up in the 90s or 2000s, अब जो 2000 में पैदा हुए बच्चे हैं वो 25 साल के हैं हर्ष. Like imagine. For them, it's Sanam Teri Kasam. And it's phenomenal the response it's got. What is the sort of love that you get for this film? What do they say? You know, what is it about the film that really connects? Have you put a finger on this? Because technically love story नहीं है.
हाँ, correct.
3/4 film में you guys are not in love with each other.
Technically ना तो ये action film है, ना तो technically तो नहीं, you can't put a finger. But you know where one identifies. So we all know कि tier 1 होता है city, tier 2, tier 3. हर tier में अलग एक content consume होता है. Then लोगों की भी categories हैं, तो वो सब आपका target audience, वो सब एक deeper study है. But overall मैंने कब notice किया, जब मैं नेपाल में रेड पैंडा शूट करने गया था एक छोटे से ढाबे पे. नाउ आई एम नॉट इन माय कंट्री, राइट, आई एम द बॉर्डर. नेपाल में पहुंच चुका हूँ मैं, बॉर्डर मैंने पासपोर्ट दिखा दिया और मैं क्रॉस. वहाँ के छोटे से ढाबे में स्मॉल फैमिली वाज ईटिंग एंड देन दे केम. तो यहाँ तो हो चुका था ये सब. जब मैंने बाहर, फिर एक बार मैं रशिया मुझे एक इवेंट के लिए बुलाया एंड आई सॉ द मेंटल लव दे हैव फॉर नॉट जस्ट सनम तेरी कसम बट बॉलीवुड, यू नो, हिंदी फिल्म्स. Then I realized even more. फिर और ऐसी जब मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और जब मुझे वहाँ से आता है, that is when I get to see a very different kind of love, and I don't know how to put a finger. I don't even know how to recreate this, but whichever forces have made this happen, I want to thank them.
I remember reading a vlog and I thought it's really fun. So I'm going to read it to you because I don't know if you've read it, but we should be talking about it.
Yes.
Things I love about Inder, okay? His perfectly sculpted body, the way he hugs Saru, the way he said, "Marry me, Saru." The authority with which he says, मेरे पास एक गन है, अगली बार बिना बताए कहीं गई तो 6 की 6 गोलियां यहाँ चला दूंगा. The way he says उसके आंसू रोकने के लिए मैं मर सकता हूँ, मैं मार सकता हूँ और मर भी सकता हूँ. The way he feeds cats. Look at the things that people have observed in this film.
Yeah. I very strongly feel this is the magic of cinema, and I am a big fan of cinema because of these things. Because how you just show something on screen and how they perceive it, and also maybe because of this, I'm studying psychology honors, and I'm so interested in what humans observe and how they perceive things. कि कोई एक फिल्म में से ये उठाएगा कि कैट को कैसे खाना खिला रहा है, पानी पिला रहा है.
Exactly.
हालांकि I had formed a story, back story जिसको बोलते हैं, much before the film took place. जब मुझे मेरे डायरेक्टर्स ने, राधिका मैम, विनय सर ने जब बताया कि इंट्रोडक्शन में यू पिक अप अ कैट, फीड द मिल्क, एंड मैंने तो मेरा है ना क्यों पूछने के बहुत मेरा वो है, तो मैंने पूछा कि मैम क्यों, तो उन्होंने बताया कि it's a nice thing and it'll also look good. I'm sure she had much more deeper reasons जो उन्होंने मुझे शायद नहीं बताया होगा, but I figured my own back story. तो मैंने क्या किया कि कहानी लिखी कि जब इंदर जुवेनाइल जेल में था तो उसको रात को सर्दियों में वेंटिलेशन में से ना बिल्ली के रोने की आवाज़ आती थी बच्चे की, तो उसने अपने दोस्त बना लिए थे, तो उनको बोला कि बिस्किट का पैकेट मुझे दो, और उसने फेंकना शुरू किया, एंड ही कुड हियर द बिल्ली ईटिंग इट. 6-7 दिन तक ये हुआ, और उसके बाद कुछ 7वें-8वें दिन जब उसने बिस्किट फेंका तो कुत्ते आए एंड दे harmed the cat because I could hear it from the sounds, and that put him in a lot of guilt, and because of that now it is a second nature to pick up while talking and feeding. So this was my story.
Correct.
The fact that after 9 years if somebody is writing that
They pick it up? They pick it up?
Yeah.
You know, you briefly mentioned that you were studying psychology. पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है हर्षवर्धन?
बहुत अच्छे
प्लीज बताओ हमारी ऑडियंस को.
मेरे फर्स्ट ईयर में 81.5% आए हैं.
What are you saying? You're a good student, yeah?
No, I never identified myself to be a good student, but I guess I don't know.
पढ़ाई कर ली बेसिकली.
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करी मैंने. अभी मैं रास्ते में पढ़ाई कर रहा था.
Really? What are you studying right now?
Second year, so I have to like find time in traffic. So I love traffic. So
No one's ever said that on my show. I love traffic.
मुझे किसी ने बताया कि 1.5 घंटा लगेगा, तो मैं खुश हो गया. मैंने कल ही टाइम कर लिया था अपना क्लास 10 बजे का. So yeah, मज़ेदार.
That's amazing. And how is the travel going? Because I think what people love about you as an actor is that you are not an actor all the time. You are living your life. वो लोगों को impossible लगता है हर्ष. And I think that there are a lot of actors who are actually very jealous of this fact that you are spending the rest of your time doing like life things.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm always very attracted to a rounded life. I don't know how to say it in correct words, but
No, I think you said it perfectly.
well-rounded, like
Yeah.
relation with people around me, body, matlab not just gym, but overall, I have to do a lot of things with my body. Then about my cognition, so I'm studying for that, and about my lungs, so I'm breathing for that, like doing breathing exercises. Then nature का जो प्यार है, तो उसके लिए फिर ये बाहर जाना, फिर फोटोग्राफी से बहुत खास लगाव है, तो उसके लिए फोटोग्राफी एक्सपीडिशंस पे जाना. तो अभी जस्ट आफ्टर रिलीज आई एम लीविंग फॉर अ 8 days 7 night bird photography expedition.
That'll be so fun.
Yeah, as in पता नहीं सबको मजा आएगा कि नहीं, बट मुझे उसमें बहुत
आपको जरूर आएगा. I love it. No, I want to share the mantra that I've been living by for a while now is that if my head, my whatever I say, which is my speech, and my heart are combined or aligned.
Wow.
So if my thought, if my speech and my heart are aligned, that I'm saying what I truly feel that I have thought about, then I am living a better life for myself. ऐसे ना हो कि दिल नहीं मान रहा और जुबान पे कुछ झूठ आ रहा है. ऐसे ना हो कि सोचा नहीं और जुबान पे कुछ अलग आ रहा है. Zuban has to be aligned. So these 3 chakras have to be aligned, and it's really helped me, by the way.
You know what you've just said is in bold letters written in my first year book. It is mentioned as ABC. Affect, which not EFFEC, AFFECT. Affect means feelings.
Okay.
B is for behavior, when you say words that come out of your mouth. C is cognition. So,
yes, that's why I said
you're
this to you.
following ABC.
Yeah.
And Carl Rogers, a very famous psychologist, he says if your real self is close to your ideal Rohini, then you're in your best state.
Absolutely.
And mostly people are not able to, because Mumbai or any other big city doesn't allow you to be the same
Correct.
person everywhere. But somehow if you crack that, you're in your best bliss state. So,
Absolutely.
wow,
I'm
so
trying.
happy.
I'm not successful yet, but it's something that I really cherish, because if that I can work, then it'll be really amazing.
Wow.
A lot of fun questions for you. Are you ready for some fun questions? Because
Yeah.
this is a segment called Confessions. Okay, here we go, guys. It's Confessions time with Harshvardhan on Just Too Filmy. Ever been in a doomed love story like Inder was?
Yeah,
Oh no.
of course.
Good looking लड़कों के साथ भी होता है क्या ऐसे?
One was with my mom, one was with my father, and then, of course, with a girl. Doom love story can be with anything.
Correct, absolutely.
With your house, with
Absolutely.
your pet.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What is the one thing that you've done for love that was totally crazy?
I'm doing it right now.
Which is?
As we speak, as in it's, yeah.
Are you पढ़ाई कर रहे हो?
That I can't reveal.
कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. Ever ghosted someone for a really petty reason? Or ever ghosted
Ghosted,
someone?
of course, I have ghosted. Yeah, 100%. Because 100%. Because initially, even now, sometimes I fail to convey. So convey नहीं कर सकते तो बेस्ट तरीका बचपन में लगता था कि भागो.
हाँ.
So मैं घर से भी ऐसे ही भागा था because I ghosted on my parents because I could not explain to them the void and the craving for this profession. अब मेरे पास लैंग्वेज नहीं थी, कैसे कन्वे करते हैं? लैंग्वेज से करते हैं या एक्शन से करते हैं? ना लैंग्वेज थी ना एक्सपीरियंस था, तो मैं भाग गया एंड दैट्स घोस्टिंग.
That is
सो
ghosting.
या काफी बार. और कुछ दोस्त भी थे who I could have salvaged it, but I had to ghost them because मेरे पास वो लैंग्वेज नहीं थी उनको समझाने की.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
so I've done
I
that.
hope you're working on that.
Yeah, now I'm really
Yeah.
developing a language, strong language. Yes.
That'll be great.
Yes.
What is the thing about the industry or Mumbai that really gets you? And sometimes physically you feel sick, you know. Is there anything that gets you sick about the city, the industry, that you don't like?
About the industry, I think जहाँ जो चाय बनती है उसमें दूध बहुत ज़्यादा होता है मुझे.
That's true.
मुझे लगता है कि दूध थोड़ा कम डालेंगे ना बहुत अच्छी चाय बन सकती है. Apart from that, I think मैं 10 दिन से ज़्यादा रहता भी नहीं मुंबई में.
So you stay
my
away.
staff is very happy. उनको पता है पागल है भाग जाएगा 10-12 दिन में. So खुश रहते हैं वो लोग.
That's hilarious. What is the one role that you might have given up that you perhaps regret, or it didn't come to you that you really regret?
रिग्रेट तो नहीं किया कभी भी. या तो मैं अपने आप को समझा ऐसे लेता हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है ना, तो क्या मुझे तो नहीं करना था.
अगर हो तो अच्छा, ना हो तो और भी अच्छा.
हो भी तो मैं अपने आप को ऐसे मैंने शायद ऐसे कन्विंस कर लिया है 1-2 बार.
ठीक है. Ever slid into anybody's DMs?
नेवर एवर. ये जो इंटरव्यू सुन रहा है, आई कैन चैलेंज ऑल ऑफ यू. इंडिया में तो क्या, एशिया में भी, और बाहर किसी को मैंने किया होगा तो अपने दोस्त के लिए किसी लड़के को मैंने किया होगा कि माय फ्रेंड इज अ बिग फैन, प्लीज रिप्लाई. नो रिप्लाई.
So sweet, so sweet. Do you respond to every DM, or do you see them, or do you not?
सो आई रिस्पॉन्ड टू ह्यूमनली जिनको भी पॉसिबल है. आई ट्राई एंड डू माई बेस्ट, लेकिन फिर भी आई फॉल शॉर्ट.
That's sweet. What is, if there was a scandal that came out about you, what do you think it would be and why?
स्कैंडल एक्चुअली बचपन से मुझे आदत पड़ गई है टू ट्रेन माई सेल्फ टू नॉट रिएक्ट. क्योंकि जब मैं घर से भागा था तो सबने बहुत सारी थियरीज बनाई थी कि अरे इसके बाल लंबे हैं, ये ज़रूर नशा करता होगा, अरे ये ज़रूर किसी लड़की के चक्कर में क्या होगा. सो आई हैव गॉन थ्रू थियरीज फॉर एवर, एंड इवन नाउ व्हेन आई से समथिंग, यूजुअली पीपल they tend to नहीं, because now I'm studying about it, so मुझे ये बुरा भी नहीं लग रहा है कि it is actually making a schema. Schema is a concept. Schema is basically a idea that you build about something. It's a mental structure. So if I make a schema that Rohini is a kind person, I have made a concept about you.
Already.
हाँ. So that is why we do that, because every time I don't want to find out or go through a cognition ki how is Rohini as a person. So I just want to put a word to Rohini. And that's what people do. So it's not their fault. Judgment is
Inevitable.
It's inevitable, absolutely. So I'm absolutely fine with it. Into
What have you made of the last couple of years post-COVID about the box office? Do you think that men, especially heroes, male heroes, have a lot to do now to get people into the theaters, or do you feel that pressure at all?
So I feel कि stimulation होता है किसी भी चीज़ से कुछ वक्त के लिए, and then our brain kind of gets used to it and it wants little more. The same thing has happened. It used to happen with comic books. It used to happen with sports, friends, places where we went. Like जहाँ हम जाते थे फिर हम कहीं और नई जगह जाना चाहते
Video
थे.
game arcades, pool parlors.
So I was coming to video games.
Yeah.
So I started with PS1. Now I'm on PS5. So every year you're done with the last year's graphics and और नए गेम भी कुछ समय के लिए आपका दिमाग ऐसे फ्लश करते हैं. Then you get used to that, and then eventually same goes for your coffee also. So first sip will always be the
best.
best. So similarly,
Theory of
I feel
diminishing marginal utility.
wow, मजा आ गया. So nice.
सारा झाड़ रही हूँ.
So nice. So I think that same theory applies onto films, where अगर आपने कुछ देख लिया है, बहुत बार देख लिया है, अब आपको कुछ और चाहिए. So इसमें किसी की fault नहीं है, ये human nature है. It's part of evolution.
But do you see yourself as that person who needs to, be hyper masculine to do massive films, that mounting, there is a pressure. And I'm not taking that pressure away from anybody. Do you feel that pressure at all?
मैं तो चिड़िया की फोटो लेने जा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे तो पता है.
I love it. I love it.
मुझे तो प्रेशर ये जरूर है कि हर्ष, you be your best. Like you give your best. Like if I've come here, I want to be all in right now, and the whole day I want to be like this. So I've given my best
Your
in
best.
today. And फिर क्या प्रेशर? फिर अगर ये अच्छे से आया, लाइट साउंड कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो, तो it is views. I don't know how it's going to work, but I did
Did
give
my
my
best.
all. So,
Absolutely.
So no pressure after that.
And my last question on Confessions, are the folks proud of you today?
So I lost my father
Yeah.
very early, and mom and dad were separated when I was 10 years old, so I'm not able to be in touch with her. My sister is very proud, whose name is Rohini.
Yes.
And she's someone जहाँ पे मैं डैड का, मॉम का, सबके रिफ्लेक्शन उनकी आंखों में मुझे मिल जाता है. एंड देन आई सी लिटिल टीयर. मेरा शॉर्ट देख के संजय गुप्ता सर के साथ मैं मिरांडा ब्रदर्स कर रहा था. संजय सर was so nice to my sister. He used to call Rohini, come here, I'll show you the. And he used to show her the shot, and Rohini sees it, and फिर I can see from here थोड़ा सा.
course.
And I feel कि okay, शायद डैड भी ऐसे ही कुछ imagination में दिमाग चला जाता है. So yeah, but I'm sure जहाँ से भी देख रहे होंगे डैडी, I'm sure रिजल्ट का पता नहीं, but process के लिए तो he is proud. He must
Definitely
be proud of me.
I love Rohini and Harshvardhan and
Harshvardhan.
Rohini and Dhananjay. All right, we're going to do a fun segment. This is
Yes.
called This or That. You get to choose only one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Flowers or chocolates to give as a gift?
Flowers.
Beach holiday or mountain holiday?
Mountain.
Mountain. Dinner and movie or bar and dancing?
Dinner and movie, of course. Bar and dancing, matlab I'm done. Honestly, I'm not some sadhu. See, I've been a DJ for a huge chunk of my life, and पहले मैं assistant था. So I used to pick a DJ's bag. DJ रिकू, मेरे गुरुजी सुन रहे हैं तो please. तो उनका बैग उठाता था मैं, और जाके मैं कंसोल साफ करके बैग रख के और एक सीडी लगा के ना बस खड़ा रहता था जब तक वो आ नहीं जाते, so that people feel कि कोई DJ खड़ा है. So I've seen that life till the last drunk person is thrown out.
Yeah.
So मैंने वो पोछा लगते हुए भी देखा है डांस फ्लोर पे, तो मुझे वो स्मेल भी याद है. किचन जब खाली होती है, सो आई नो AC बंद होता है तो एक अजीब सी स्टेंच होती है. सो आई नो द एग्जैक्ट इन एंड आउट ऑफ अ पार्टी. सो आई थिंक फॉर फ्यू janams I'm done with that. So yeah.
So dinner and movie.
Dinner and movie, sorry.
Working out together or watching a film together?
Watching a film, because I have never worked out with anyone.
Really?
हाँ, मैं अकेले ही करता हूँ.
ठीक है.
ये मुझे नहीं आता.
Phone call or text messages for Harshvardhan?
Meeting in person.
In person.
क्योंकि text में I can summarize everything very nicely. Phone call में मजा नहीं आता मुझे. Meeting, I always try कि मैं चला जाऊँ. तो I feel a huge change in the understanding.
Lovely.
And
Fantastic.
in
Of course.
flesh. Yeah.
Kissing in the rain or midnight drive under the stars?
धीरे से मतलब पहुंच ही गई गाड़ी जहाँ पे सेंसर हो जाएगा ये सब. Motorcycle.
Motorcycle, bike ride.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Staying in or going out?
Going out any day, any given opportunity, because staying in से क्या आप achieve करोगे? You go out, you will interact with your surroundings and with nature. And
Absolutely.
I've also seen people talk on a very different level when they're out,
Correct.
according to the environment.
Yeah, you get to know who they are.
Yes.
Thoughts on PDA? Yes, no, up or down?
Yeah, 100%. किसी को पता ही ना चले. PDA जरूर करो, लेकिन किसी के चाचा को भी नहीं पता चले. मैं उसमें बहुत बड़ा एक्सपर्ट हूँ.
Oh my God. Love at first sight or slow burn romance?
Slow burn.
Slow burn.
1,000 times.
इन चीजों का मजा धीरे धीरे लेना चाहिए.
I always feel gradual is very real and it's not hormonal. So gradual burn.
When was the last time you said sorry to someone, and when was the last time you said I love you?
सॉरी कल शाम को ही मैंने एक वर्कर को बोला. मेरे ऊपर कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा था और तो मुझे लगा बंद हो गया कंस्ट्रक्शन का टाइम. तो मेरे आई वाज ट्राइंग टू डू अ ट्यूशन फॉर माय सेकंड ईयर. तो घड़ चालू था. तो मैं ऊपर गया एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो कि मेरा टाइमिंग का नॉलेज गलत था एंड ही वाज राइट. मैंने सॉरी.
You said sorry. When was the last time you said I love you?
आई लव यू तो सुबह ही बोला आज.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Fantastic. It's been so lovely to sit down and talk with you, because this film gives us an excuse to go back and revisit those parts that we might have forgotten. And I think that's why this interview is so special.
Thank
for
you, Rohini.
all your fans who wanted me to talk to you. And I've been getting this request for over 3 years now, actually.
Wow.
So I'm very grateful that Harshi made time, and really, really nice of you to do
Rohini,
that.
everyone should know that you are the one who was who has taken out time. Everyone should know this, and she was extremely busy, and the studio was super occupied. And I really want to thank you from the team's behalf also.
Not at all.
Thank you
not
for
at
making
all.
time.
It's my honor. Thank you for being on the show.
Please try and watch the film again.
100% in the theaters, and we'll sing along with Sanam Teri Kasam this time.